In this short video, I want to give you some insight into how to use trading zones the right way. Now, most days, trading zones are going to accurately reflect where support and resistance is for the following day's market action. And here I have a trading zone that I drew out the day prior to this trading session. And as you can see, prices traded well within inside the zone all day, basically bounded by resistance at the top and support down here. But then there are days where prices don't accurately track the trading zone. Remember, the trading zone is a calculated number, and here's a day like that. And I want to explain how to use the trading zone so that you use it properly. The trading zone is a calculated number based on averages of price action for the previous several days of trading. And it's an average of averages. There are actually 8 or 10 numbers, I use 10, to calculate the trading zone, and the averages are then averaged to come up with two general numbers, a support number and a resistance number. And each day, these numbers should be placed on your chart for the following day. Now, on this particular day, the trading zone resistance was at 47.85, support down here at 47.50. But the market opened way up here at about 48.06, nowhere near our trading zone, right? So does that mean the trading zone is not giving us? Well, the way to look at the trading zone is that the calculated number also gives you a range, a trading range. And in this particular day, the trading range is 35 points, okay? So what we want to do, since the trading zone is a calculation, but the trading range that it encompasses is, we want to take this trading zone and transpose it to where the high or the low of the market is after about the first half hour of the day. So typically many days like this day, trading is volatile, whipsaws up and down. But after about a half an hour, we can see whether this is the high or the low of the day. And in a day like this, where prices are not trading anywhere near the trading zone, what we want to do is take this trading zone and transpose it to fit the prices. So what I do is I take a copy of this trading zone, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I take this trading zone and I transpose it up to where the prices started. Now, if the prices started below the trading zone, I would bring the trading zone down. I would transpose this trading zone, and I'm going to bring it over to the full day, and I'm going to change the color to make it a little easier for you to see. And now I've taken the trading zone to match where the prices started out. And we can see that the trading zone, now where did the prices end up? The prices bottomed out right here at the bottom of our trading zone at the support level based on the range. So it's not just the numbers, the actual support and resistance numbers. These are calculations, remember. But they tend to be pretty accurate in terms of, some days they're accurate in terms of the actual support and resistance, as you saw on the previous day's chart. But on today's chart, we can see where the range serves us very well to track the actual range that the prices are going to be bound by. So that's the right way to use the trading zone. As you use these trading zones, you'll find them to be a powerful asset in helping you trade more successfully. And remember, in trading, knowledge is power.